good morning. We're here at Straight Up Driven headquarters. Gonna go through, talk about some cars, some future projects coming up today. Standing today right next to the Ferrari Pista. It's gonna be one of the last times you guys see it because it is going bye-bye. Ford GT, what do you guys think? I'm having a hard time deciding. Do you guys think we should sell the Ford GT or should we sell the Aventador? There's some new projects, some new cars coming to the channel. I don't know if it makes sense to keep the Aventador and the Ford GT. You guys have already seen the truck, big plans for the truck. We're coming over to the Ferrari 488. Missing a panel. It's missing the vent. The side skirt's ripped off. The door's dented. The quarter panel's dented. Let's montage this Ferrari and show them what it looks like. Whole back end ripped off. And of course, you guys know, good old faithful, my current favorite, the Lamborghini Aventador S. All right, guys, so let's walk over. We just purchased a new building coming soon as well. So let's walk over, see how it is. It's a work in progress. My brothers say that it's gonna be done within the next 5 days. We're about a week and a half in. All right, guys, we're at the new building now. This is the new building just purchased. Well, as you can tell, big work in progress over here.
What is that?
That's a new purchase for Straight Up Driven. Right-hand drive Jeep. Came with the property, but I had to pay a little extra money for it. So of course, being where we are, this is an old male Jeep, right-hand drive. So we purchased it. We're definitely gonna be doing something with the Jeep. We're building it, we bought it. We have to, right-hand drive, guys. The new bay doors, new double doors, everything's done. A whole remodel, all rebuilt in less than 3 weeks, guys. So what we plan to showcase with this building is this is going to be our BMW building. So all our factory BMWs, all your expensive BMWs, because we're factory certified in BMW as well. So all the BMW work's gonna be done in this building. Redoing the new concrete work. Well, we're here, a lot of work. We'll go down to this side, a little less noisy. We tore out these walls. They had some offices here. We needed more workspace. So everything's coming out. The rest of these beams coming out. All new electrical, the new panels, new lighting's going in. I'm excited for you guys to see it this way and then see it when it's finished. Do we need before we package, should we have a meet here? Should we park all the cars inside? Should we have a little car meet here before it goes into full production of bodywork? I don't know, it might be an option. Now, the whole point of today, we're gonna walk over here. So what I'm most excited about to show you guys is the new build coming real soon. Should be the next one out right after the Ferrari. Right here, the Lamborghini Huracan. Let's guys show you the montage real quick. We got to keep it fun, we got to keep it exciting, so you know Lamborghini Huracan, but what's so special about this, it's the twin turbo Lamborghini Huracan. So it's personally my first twin turbo Huracan. Super excited to get out there, push the limits, see what it can do. But as you can tell, the body's off, headlights off, front bumper, side skirts. Why? Well, we're trying to figure out how to just spice it up, make it stand out, make it special for us for the content. So are we thinking Super Trofeo kit? Are we thinking wide body? We're thinking about a lot of things because we haven't locked down specific brands that we're working with. We haven't finalized it, but so you guys can see it before it's finished. Everything's ripped off, ready for the install. Is it Super Trofeo? Is it wide body? Won't mention the names. You know which ones are out there. It's coming soon. You're gonna see it. Stay tuned, guys.